Hi, my name is Stephanie McBride. I am the owner of Grounding Gear. So the other day I taught a class and I was talking about how I was working on this client and she didn't like something about her body and she was saying, oh, I hate this about my body. And I remember telling her, words have power. When you say that about your body remembers it. And so anyway, I was teaching this class and I was telling the story, and then the other day, this is so minor, but I had a hangnail and I thought, oh, that hurts, and being a body worker, you're always aware of how your body feels. And I thought, okay, this is the same thing I was talking about in that class, words have power. So I was feeling the hangnail and I was thinking, okay, that's painful. And then I thought, okay, I'm just gonna start sending this hangnail love, which sounds a little bizarre, I know, but I did it anyway, just as a science experiment, just to see what would happen, right? What harm can it do? So I was kind of just playing with the hangnail and it was like, okay, I'm gonna send this hangnail love. And it actually, the pain went away. It was pretty odd. And then I went back and forth. It was like I would send it, I would be like, okay, I'm gonna feel it again, I'm gonna feel pain, and kind of resenting that pain. And then I would switch it up again and send it love. And I thought, and it stopped hurting. So I thought it was pretty fascinating. So I thought I would share that. And I invite you, if you have a pain in your body, just as a science experiment, send that pain or that challenging area some love. Be compassionate towards your body and just see if it changes. Just for the heck of it, But our thoughts have power and they affect our body, our attitude, our mood, our life. So give it a try and just see what happens for you. It was kind of interesting. Anyway, have a great day.